Alright guys, it is very important for you to understand that since the movement of the Pokemon Go itself, there are many apps that will allow people who are utilizing Pokemon Go to be able to understand what they need to do to find Pokemon, maybe the accessories, maybe the background, or whatever it is that they want to do. Okay, now I'm gonna share with you something that is unique here, which is what we call the Google Play. All right, I'm pretty sure you can find it on your phone and so on, but we're gonna type in Pokemon Go. All right, so once we type in Pokemon Go, right here you'll be able to find out that this is the only company that belong to the that produce the Pokemon Go itself, which is Niantic Incorporated. All right, which is Nintendo. However, if you look at the right hand side, okay, this company, this is not Niantic Incorporated, but this is some other companies that talk about the map for Pokemon, guide for Poke Go, Poke Map, Battery Go, and guide for Pokemon, and Poke Radar, trainer kit for Poke, and all this company training for Pokemon and so on. These are not belong to Pokemon, except probably this company, the Pokemon Company International, guide for Pokemon, the Next Flow, Urban Apps, Play Game, and all these other company are pretty much like a complementary software for Pokemon Go. All right, my point to you is you have to think in terms of the type of apps that will be complement with the Pokemon Go itself. Right now Pokemon is pretty brand new. It's only in 5 different countries, but very soon it will go through dozen countries. All right, and in fact within the first 7 days it has reached roughly about 15 million downloads, and right now it has more than 24 million daily users, which has the highest engagement rate compared to many social networking sites. In fact, when we spoke with one of the experts on Pokemon, pretty much right now the statistic is people spend 47 minutes on Pokemon Go compared to the regular 15 minutes or 20 minutes on Snapchat or Facebook or other social networking sites. So I want you to pay attention to this. When you understand, okay, maybe we should create a complementary app that has to do with chatting with other users, where they can meet up and all these things, or maybe can connect with Facebook. This allows you to be able to grab the movement of the Pokemon Go itself for your own business. You can have this as a freemium meaning that it is free, but in the future it's going to be paid. All right, depending on what you want to do with your business, but at least it allows you to capture a lot of leads for your business. So that's all for now, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care now, guys. Alright guys, on this video we're going to talk about how Pokemon Go is boosting a lot of business. Okay, I'm gonna stop this information itself because it's very important for you to pay attention to this about the Pokemon Go. Has helped this company, this pizza place, increase their revenue by 75%, all right, overnight. And in fact, it allows them to grow their business virally, and they don't see a slowdown in the business at all. Now, here's something that you have to understand. If your business, let me draw this for you, is what I refer to close to the Pokestop, okay, area itself. So it doesn't have to be part of the Pokestop. All right, it could be something somewhere near the Pokestop. Let's say this is the Pokestop, this is where you are. Okay, this is your local business itself. Now this is the Pokestop. What you can do is you can pretty much do some sort of advertisement. All right, do something crazy stuff such as, hey, Pokemon trainer, okay, Poke trainers, get free soda if you're level number 2. If you're level number 10, get this one. If you're level number 20, if you're level number 30, get a special treatment, and those kind of stuff. All right, very important for you to start inviting them in, because we are talking about like 25 million people are using this every single day. Now, you don't want to call them like the Pokemon trainers. They are crazy, they are stupid, wasting their time and so on. Why not lure them in? Okay, because right now a lot of social networking sites, even though, let's say if we talk about Facebook itself, the engagement is great, but the problem is it still feels very lonely. Okay, very lonely. It's just like you click on the thumbs up, all right, press button, and then people like your stuff. But with this one is Pokemon Go movement is what we refer to as 4.0. What is 4.0? Is a reality engagement. People are able to meet face to face. People are able to talk with one another. People can talk with other trainers and so on. So your business should start welcoming all these trainers, because you know what? If they feel welcome, they are able to go to certain places, and chances are you're able to grow your business faster than ever. So why not start doing just that? At the same time, what you can do is, instead of trying to go against them, say, hey, if you're a Pokemon trainer, you cannot come to my place, you cannot come to my restaurant. Welcome them and give them bonuses. Tell them, like, if you're L2, you show me that you're L2, then you're gonna get free coffee or free drink along with pizza or whatever it is that you want to do. All right, very, very powerful tools. If you want to increase your business, you got to start working with the Pokemon trainers, which is they are just human being that wants to have fun, that wants to engage with other people. Maybe in your restaurant, you can start, have this Poke event or something like that. So let's say if this is the Poke stop, what you can do is you want to, if this guy doesn't do anything with it, bring them to your business. Tell them, like, we have this Poke event that coming up in your local area and all these things. This allows them to start engaging with you. They're going to start to say, you know what, this place is a place I want to go all the time. And by all means, this is how you are able to grow your business to the next level faster. Especially this movement is only the beginning, at the beginning stage. All right, so that's all for now, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care now, guys. Now, as you understand the power of Pokemon Go on boosting the business in the local area, here's something that you have to understand. How did they do it? Well, if you look at this information here, they say spend $10 on lure modules. Okay, this is what we refer to lure modules marketing, the power of lure modules. Let me explain to you how it works. Let's just say you are part of the Pokemon stop. Okay, if you part of the Pokemon stop itself, as soon as you press a button, okay, if you press one button, and within 30 minutes there will be a lot of Pokemon are going to be attracted to go to the area itself. That's how it works. Okay, so every single time a restaurant, let's say this restaurant is part of the Pokestop itself, as soon as they press the button, immediately all these Pokemon will start coming toward this restaurant. So just visualize this Pokemon trainer, they are searching for Pokemon, and with the system that they have, okay, which is, if you look at this very closely, it's going to start showing them where the Pokemon is going to be located and all these things and so on. And in fact, this guy in here, Mr. Syndicate, said that when you pick which restaurant you want to eat, and just so you can be near a lure module Pokemon Go. And so this restaurant next to my work already dropped a lure on their business today. It is gonna be a good day. Okay, and then this guy say, my aunt Reagan, I have a job for you. The job was to create a Pokemon lure and drop it in her restaurant so that more people will come. People are stopping in the restaurant because we have a lure here for Pokemon Go. And then Pokemon Go got real things, and all these things is very important. Okay, of course you don't want to be this guy say Pokemon for paying customers only, which is not a good idea, because that's a stupid things a business owner should do. Okay, my point to you is, if you are near your place, your local business is near the lure, the Pokestop itself, it is always a good idea, even if you're just next door, or if you are right here, right at this location itself. Okay, sure enough, this guy, the Pokemon will go to this restaurant, but the effect itself is going to be, is going to be in your restaurant as well as the neighborhood in this area. So when you drop the lure, even though people are going to go to the Pokestop or whatever it is, you can tell them like, hey, listen, yeah, the Pokestop is right here, but we have this gathering Pokestop event or gathering right here. So everybody gonna be outside, everybody gonna be close to here, and guess what happened? If you are more welcome than the guy right here, or maybe you sell the Pikachu clothes or sweatshirt or t-shirt during the summertime, wintertime, the or Halloween or anything like that, then chances are your business is going to start to become bigger than ever. If you spend like $10, like boom, put all these Pokemon all over the place after 5 p.m. and so on, chances are everybody going to start to go to your place. All right. And if you say maybe instead of happy hours, you can say Pokemon trainers hours or anything in that term itself. Now, if you are the owner of the Pokestop, it is a very wise idea to start putting lure, spending the money, $10 or $20 a day, trying to lure people in, and that's how you're able to build a bigger business. That's a smart idea to do. And visualize, like if you have like 50, 100, 200 people come to your place all the time, guess what happened to your business? Okay, and for the place in Queens, it's already spiked up his business by 75%. If he was supposed to make $20,000 a month and he's growing to $40,000 a month, that is a big deal for business, for any business. All right, or $35,000 a month, that is a big deal. That's like an extra $200,000 a year. All right, so just start to think a bigger way to do it, instead of saying that, oh, restaurant, which is kind of boring. And sure, restaurant, maybe you can have a Pikachu stuff, a Pokemon stuff in your store, and get more e-commerce stuff coming to your business. That's how you're able to build a stronger foundation for your business. All right, so that's all for now. I'll see you on the next video. Take care now, guys.